Today, our objective to study two-stage RC coupled amplifier, their application and their working and their circuit diagram. First, introduction to a single-stage RC coupled amplifier. The single-stage RC coupled amplifier is this one. Single transistor used here, and the biasing component R1, R2, and RE. This is the biasing component which stable the circuit also. This is your coupling capacitor input side, and this is the coupling capacitor output side. This is your bypass capacitor CE, emitter bypass capacitor. These are the, this one is the emitter resistance. Suppose we apply the input AC signal, the output come across the RC. Means your signal is amplified. AC signal apply here, your signal is amplified, and amplified output come across the RC, and then RC is amplified using a speaker. Output come to in speaker. Means the signal is amplified by the single stage transistor. This one the circuit, this one the circuit is draw here. Here shows this circuit and this circuit. Here is emitter bypass capacitor is not present. Here is emitter bypass capacitor is present. What happened if emitter bypass capacitor is not present in this circuit? You see here there is write up, means if emitter bypass capacitor is not present here, then voltage gain is reduces. If emitter bypass capacitor is present with emitter resistance, then your gain is not reduces. The purpose of emitter resistance is to not provide a negative feedback. Here, if we are not provide the emitter bypass capacitor, then it's provide the negative feedback. If present here emitter bypass capacitor, then voltage gain of the amplifier is increases. This one shows by the circuit. Also, if you use KBL, then one of the relations come here. This one shows the, this is the negative feedback, Vi minus V dash. Here's drop come Vi dash. This one shows that Vi dash is equal to 0, no drop across the RE. Means a DC signal pass through emitter resistance and AC signal pass through emitter bypass capacitor. Okay, this is a single stage RC coupled amplifier. Next, move to frequency response of single stage RC coupled amplifier. Okay, here visibility is not clear, but I explain in this figure. This your topic is the frequency response characteristic, means single stage transistor amplifier. This one the circuit frequency response is this one plot. Here you can see this is the plot. Frequency response plot is the frequency versus gain. Y axis is your gain and x axis is your frequency. Frequency versus gain plot. Here you see that FL and FH means FL means lower frequency and FH means higher frequency. Between this there is bandwidth, means higher frequency minus lower frequency is called bandwidth. The difference between higher frequency minus lower frequency is called bandwidth. Here the indicate few points here. Here you see that between this range, that is the mid frequency range. Here we mention that mid frequency range. This one gain is also decreases. This one the gain is also decreases of a particular frequency. Suppose this one is cut point here in the x-axis, and this one is the cut point here. This is the FH in x-axis. Means lower frequency region gain is decreases, and higher frequency region also gain is decreases. Means below FL gain is reduces, above FH also gain is reduced. Between FL and FS, the gain is constant. This one point, gain is constant. Only here you study that why gain is decreases below FL and why your FL above your gain is decreases and between this region your gain is constant. Here you mention few points. Lower frequency region means gain is reduces. Why? In lower frequency region, the fall of gain is the region behind this, the coupling capacitor and bypass capacitor. Coupling capacitor, uh, not, again repeat this point, due to fall of gain in lower frequency region, fall of gain due to effect of coupling capacitor of input and output side. Only the effect of coupling capacitor, the reduces of gain in low frequency region, this one region. And mid frequency region, why this is constant? Due to coupling capacitor and bypass capacitor, both capacitor treated as short circuit, that's why this gain is constant. In the high frequency region, this one high frequency region, gain is why reduces? Due to fall of gain in BJT due to mainly due to diffusion capacitance and junction capacitance. The fall of gain in BJT due to diffusion capacitance and junction capacitance. If we use FET in place of BJT, here is BJT. If we use FET, then what happen in higher frequency region? The region of decreases your gain is FET due to higher frequency region, gain is decreases due to stray capacitor and wiring capacitor. Thus here purpose only that you noted down, if we use BJT, the here is mid frequency region the gain is constant and lower frequency region gain is decreases and higher frequency also gain is decreases. This is decreases due to coupling capacitance and this one decreases due to junction capacitance. Junction capacitance is the diffusion capacitance and transition capacitance in a BJT. If we go FET, then gain it decreases in high frequency region is the stay capacitor and wiring capacitor. Okay, this is the only for single stage RC couple amplifier, means single transistor usage. This one the only the background of to develop a thinking when we enter your two stage RC couple amplifier. Okay, we move to next one. Also some few points is here. Also suppose you plot the frequency response. Here it mentioned that the coupling capacitor is short circuited. Coupling capacitor which is used in a single stage transistor. Suppose coupling capacitor is short circuited, what happen? The plot frequency response this form. This is the complete form, but when your coupling capacitor is present, but when short circuit what happen? This one the plot. This one is the plot of when coupling capacitor is short circuited. Also few point in the frequency plot. This is your graph of the frequency versus gain. Here you see that a lower frequency region and high frequency region. This one the relative gain. Relative gain means maximum gain upon emit gain. Both are divided in taken and magnitude. Means maximum value is 1. After 1 the decreases their values. Suppose 0 values here 0.1, 0.2, 0.9 and 1. In if you go for in dB calculation, this one is come minus 3 dB. In negative point means 1 upon root 2. This one the range is the FL and FH. Also just you understand here only that the cutoff frequency is called 3 dB frequency and half hour frequency. Only show this one shows your 3 dB frequency or half hour frequency. Okay, the bandwidth explained here, high frequency minus lower frequency. Disadvantage of single stage amplifier. What are the disadvantages? Smaller gain bandwidth product. means gain and bandwidth product is very small, in size, in small in values. Also gain is also very less. One of the property also is the 1 degree phase shift one common emitter amplifier uses single stage. Now we enter our two-stage RC complete coupled amplifier. This is the very important. You see the circuit diagram. What you see, this one your single stage, this one your single stage common emitter amplifier or RC coupled amplifier. This is another single stage. Other one is a single stage. Now this two transistor is connected through coupling capacitor. Now this one is called two-stage RC coupled amplifier, two-stage RC coupled amplifier, या multi-stage RC coupled amplifier. What means multi-stage? Multi-stage means more than one transistor if we use in amplification, then that is called multi-stage amplifier. Also multi-stage amplifier also called cascaded amplifier. You see the circuit description. Here you see input capacitance means coupling capacitor from inside of input side. This is your coupling capacitor. This also coupling capacitor in output side. R1, R2 and RE. These are the biasing components. Similar here, R1, R2 and RE biasing component. These are RC is the RC is the collector resistance and RE is the emitter resistance. C your emitter bypass capacitor. Similar here also RE, C and RC. You see here input is applied here, output taken this one side. There is mention all those points, what the working of their individual component. You noted down capacitor is passes only AC signal and block the DC component. Here what you applied means in this side AC signal is passes through. AC signal passes by the CE component and amplified by the T1 transistor, and amplified output come across the RC. And now RC whatever appear across the amplified output is passes through coupling capacitor. This one passes through coupling capacitor to base of secondary of transistor. Now this one whatever amplified output come across first is of transistor, then couple through coupling capacitor and passes through T2 transistor. Now this transistor, second stage transistor is amplified and come across the output RC. What happened? Whatever this one transistor amplify means single transistor amplify, then again amplify by the T2 transistor, then overall gain is increases. Suppose G1 is the first transistor gain and G2 is the second transistor gain. The overall gain is equal to both multiplied by G is equal to, suppose overall gain is equal to G is equal to G1 multiplied by G2. This one will show that the gain is increases, means whatever you input apply, the amplified output come across the secondary stage of transistor with gain increase. Noted down, these are the component whatever right here you see here, and these are the biasing component. You see here input capacitance allow only pass the AC signal, and emitter bypass capacitor offer the low reactance